Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday. And today we have the classic unboxing, yes. A little bit of an unboxing and review though. So I have here 3 fun little products. These are from Stila, whatever you want to call them. Essentially, I was shopping through TK Maxx recently, online of course, because if you haven't seen the story about my leg, go watch it. Yeah, essentially I was like looking through, hunting the deals, and I was just, you know, not really looking for anything in particular, and then these popped up and I was like, oh, really good savings, which we love. And I mean, I love, so essentially, I'll break the news, these are liquid eyeshadows. I live for a liquid eyeshadow. I've not got any kind of normalish, quote unquote normal ones, just because like most of the ones I do own are usually like a glitter, like a topper situation. But I love them, and I thought, you know what, like let's try some fun little bits. So we've got here 3 different ones. So these 2 I believe are double packs. So there's like 2, either 2 in there, or I don't remember how it was. They're either 2 or they're double-ended. But this one is like a single one. We'll kick off with this one. So this is in the shade Tulip Twinkle. Let me see. What is going to be the best way of getting this out? We'll go from the bottom. Oh, I mean, first of all, packaging, hello. Look at that. Like, do you not just think that looks divine? Oh, and look at that formula. It looks so good. So it's like a glittery pink, basically. I'm gonna give it a smell.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Well, that's great. The fucking applicator's broken. Fab. Yep, that is completely fucked. So, can't even use that. That's a great start, isn't it? Oh my god, hell. Compose myself. This is what I get for going to TK fucking Maxx. Anyway, Coral Reef. Can we improve on that, please? Fucking god. Because like they're still pricey products. Like I didn't get a fucking mad discount. Oh, they kind of are connected. They like, oh that's cool. They're magnetic. Oh, not magnetic. Oh, you're small. Oh, they're smaller as well. I was wondering why the boxes were different sizes. Yeah, they're a little bit thinner. But yes, you've got essentially a kind of quote unquote matte colour, which is here. Is it going to focus properly? Come on, please. Come on. Focus. There we go. So yeah, you've got the kind of matte colour there, which is lush. And then we've also kind of got this kind of glittery shade to like match with it. So you can kind of use them together. So let's have a see. Oh, I swear if this fucking applicator breaks, I'm gonna cry. Oh, okay, the applicator is fine, it's intact. We have 1 successful product. I don't know whether to blame TK Maxx or Stila for that, but yeah. Anywho, let's give it a quick swatch. So this is the matte shade. Oh, that is nice. It goes on really nicely. These applicators I'm not a fan of, I'm not gonna lie. They feel really flimsy. And I'm really nervous that this is just gonna like pop out. But yeah, honest opinions and all. Not a fan of the applicator, but I mean, hello, it looks lush. If this fucking one breaks, I'm gonna cry. Okay, let's, oh, I'm sliding off the bed, nice. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, so let's give the sparkly glittery shade a try. Okay. Interesting. Very sheer. Very sheer. But again, I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop a small little bit on top of the previous shade, like the matte shade. So do like a half and half situation, just so we can see what it's like without the base and with the base. So you can see this here is without, and then obviously this bit at the top has that base in. So it kind of, you can see it does add a little bit more dimension to it. But it is really quite sheer. Like I thought, looking at it, it looks like it's going to be a lot thicker, a lot creamier. Not 110% convinced on this, but hey, I'm willing to give it benefit of the doubt. And then finally, we have here the colour Mint Julep. Julep, which is obviously, as you can tell, a green shade. So we have this one here first. So this is our matte shade. But yeah, looks really, really nice. An interesting shade, I mean, work. And then we have, again, the glitter to kind of go with that shade. So it does match the kind of colourings, which looks lush. But again, let's give it a try. Breathe with me, people. Is the applicator going to fucking break? No. Nice. I like these matte shades. These matte shades are really, really nice. I mean, I hope they've got blendability. I mean, it would seem like they do, because like you can kind of buff it away, even with your fingers, but then you can still like layer it on top and get like a really good pigmentation. Like I'm not applying loads to my arm, but yeah, I'm still getting a lot of payoff, which is nice. I have to give it to them for that. Okay, now for the glitter. I'm already like, you know, pretty much expecting what I'm expecting. It is a really nice glitter, I have to say. It is really nice in colour, like the actual glitter itself. But yeah, it's basically like a lip gloss, which is like clear but just has glitter in it, essentially. But let's see what it's like over top of the actual matte shade, just to see how they work together. Are they cohesive or are they rivals? And they do look cohesive. So yeah, you can see here, obviously we've got our matte shade here, and then the actual shade on its own, just here, the glitter shade. So yeah, you can kind of see it's naturally supposed to really go with the green shade there, like the matte shade, because there it just literally looks translucent with glitter. Overall, I don't really know how I feel, to be honest. Like, this is a first for me. I'm usually, regardless of product and situation, I'm really into like certain products. But there's just something I just don't know, really, to be honest. I mean, naturally, I'm extremely disappointed in the fact that that literally broke. Like, the applicator literally is non-existent. It's just a pipe. The rest of it is somewhere now buried deep in this. So I have absolutely, like, I have nothing that I can now use this with, unless I somehow manage to get another applicator. But then that just feels wrong to me. I'm a judgy kind of person, okay? I mean, I could always try and get like a cotton bud, but again, like, that just doesn't feel right. Like, and then if that gets stuck in there, then it's just like, ugh, you've contaminated the product. I am really quite disappointed, and I mean, the packaging it looks, you know, sleek, it looks so nice. I love with these ones that they kind of snap together, so like you can kind of keep them as like a set, because I think they are supposed, regardless, you're not going to be using that glitter on its fucking own. You want the set of them together. Would I recommend them? 110% fucking no at full price. If you can get them discounted heavily, potentially, you know, if you're looking for this very niche-y kind of product, maybe. But I do think like there are like a lot more brands out there which have interesting colours, really, really lush, but their glitters are like full powered glitters that could be used on their own. Like, these are not designed to be used on their own. They are designed as a pack together, which is fair. If that's your thing, you want to use them together. But like, for me, I like my products to have versatility. I like to be able to kind of sit there and play with my products and not have to follow a set bloody tick box of, if I'm gonna want the green glitter, I have to have this underneath it. Like, there's too many rule books for me. But yeah, overall, really not that impressed. Really, really upset by the fact that that is broken. I don't even know who to complain to. Like, I feel guilty complaining to TK Maxx and to Stila directly, because I don't know whose part is to play on it. Because, yeah, it could just be that I've managed to get a dodgy one that has somehow managed to break, but they'll probably find a way of swinging it back on me and blaming me. But hey ho, we live, we make mistakes in life, and that's what life is about. But yeah, probably the first ever product that I've actually sat here and said I'm not a fan of. This is revolutionary. I hope you guys know this. I hope you're like enjoying the fact that we're feeling the shared disappointment together. But yeah, I hope that was fun for people. It was not really that fun for me, but hey ho. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, let me know down below. And if there's any other products that you'd like to see me trial out on this channel, please let me know. Always happy to give it a little look. And yeah, I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.